In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send high-quality images using Gmail on your PC. Whether you're sharing precious memories with loved ones or sending professional-grade work to a client, ensuring your images retain their quality during transmission is essential. Fortunately, Gmail offers a simple yet effective way to achieve this. To get started, you'll first want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail's website. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in your Gmail dashboard, click on the Compose button. This will open a new email window where you can draft your message. Now, the key to maintaining image quality is to use the Google Drive option for attaching your images. In the email draft window, look for the Google Drive icon, which resembles a triangular shape in the toolbar at the bottom. Click on this icon to open your Drive options. If your images are already stored in Google Drive, you can simply select them from here. However, if they're on your local machine, you need to upload them first. Click the Upload tab, then drag your image files into this window, or click Select Files from your device and choose the images you wish to share. Allow a moment for the upload to complete, especially if your images are large. Once uploaded, select the images you want to attach and ensure that the option is set to Drive Link rather than Attachment. Using the Drive link ensures that your images won't be compressed, thus maintaining their original quality. After selecting, click Insert to add the Drive links to your email. Next, type the recipient's email address in the To field, along with the subject line and any message you'd like to include in the body of the email. This personal touch is always appreciated, so feel free to explain briefly what you're sharing or any pertinent details about these images. Before sending, double-check that everything looks good. Just in case the recipient doesn't have permission to view the images in Drive, you can adjust the sharing settings. Hover over the inserted Drive link and click on the Share Settings icon to open the sharing options. Here, you can specify who can view the file, ensuring anyone with the link can access the image if that's your preference. Now that everything is set up, click Send to share your high-quality images. Congrats, you've successfully emailed crisp, clear images without compromising their resolution. Remember, using Google Drive links is a reliable method to ensure image integrity, avoiding the pitfalls of attachment compression that can plague standard email sends. With this little trick in your toolbox, you can confidently send images, knowing they'll arrive in perfect quality. Whether you're working professionally or sharing with friends and family, Gmail and Google Drive make it easy. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.